Welcome to this video, which shows you how to import resources and activities from one module to another in Moodle. It's important to know how to import content, as all modules for the new academic year will initially be blank in Moodle. Following the instructions in this video, you can easily import materials if you were lecturing on the same module in the previous academic year and had added resources to Moodle. Before we go any further, you should note that you need to have lecture access to both modules for this process. You need lecture access to the module you're taking content from, which we'll call the source module. You need to have lecture access to the module that you're importing to, which we'll call the destination module. So, assuming you have lecture access to both the source and destination modules, let's begin. First, go to the module where you want to import materials to, the destination module. Scroll down to the settings block here on the left-hand side. Click on Import to start the process. You need to search for the module that you want to import the content from, the source module. If your source module is not listed on the screen, then type its name into the search box and click Search. When you do find your module, click the button beside it before clicking Continue. You will be presented with the initial settings. Click Next. Then you'll see a list of everything in the source module, all resources and activities, and the default here is that everything is ticked for import. Go through the list and untick any resource or activity that you do not want to import into your destination module. When complete, click Next. Next, you'll be presented with a checklist of whatever you selected to import. This is where you can double check. 1. You've picked out the resources you want to import, and 2. You've unticked any resource or activities that you do not want to import into your destination module. You can easily go back and change anything by clicking on the previous button at the end of the screen. When you're sure everything is correct, click Perform Import. The import process can take a minute or two to complete, after which you should see the screen telling you your import has been completed. Click Continue and you should see whatever you imported from your source module in your new destination module. One last thing to note is that if you imported a resource or activity and then decide you don't need it, simply turn editing on in your module and delete that item by clicking on the X beside it. And that's how to import from one module to another in Moodle. Remember, this method can be used to import material between any of your modules, and not just between modules in different academic years. Please contact the e-learning support unit if you need any further assistance importing between modules or any aspect of Moodle. You can call us on extension 4114, email moodle@wit.ie, or just drop into our help desk at the front of the library on the main campus. Thank you and happy Moodling!